Hi there, meet the MIUZZY Cordless Vacuum Cleaner with powerful 45K PA suction that makes cleaning easy. Its 4000 mAh battery delivers up to 60 minutes of runtime, letting you clean longer without frequent recharges. The antihairwrap technology and motorized brush head prevent tangles, perfect for pet owners. With genuine multi-cone filtration, it maintains strong suction while avoiding clogs without needing a HEPA filter. The large 1.5L dustbin features a one-button release and an LED display to monitor suction levels. Lightweight and self-standing, it easily converts to handheld for stairs, upholstery, or car cleaning. MIUZZY also offers a 24-month guarantee and dedicated customer support for peace of mind. Thanks for hanging out with us. If this product caught your eye, there's a direct link and more info waiting for you in the description below. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe so you never miss our daily finds. See you in the next one.